In today's show, we are looking at the issue of gaining trust in Japan in business. Japan is very risk-averse as a culture, and saying no is much easier than taking on the risk of something new by saying yes. We are often the new bit, and so we struggle to gain the required trust to become a trusted business partner in Japan. We're going to look at how to become trusted. Welcome back to this weekly edition every Friday of the Japan Business Mastery Show. I'm your host, Dr. Greg Story, your corporate coaching and training guy, president of Dale Carnegie Training Japan and best-selling author of Japan Sales Mastery and my new bestseller, Japan Business Mastery. We are bringing the show to you from our studio in the High Performance Center in Akasaka in Minato-ku, the business center of Tokyo. This is episode number 11, and we are talking about 4 steps to have credibility in sales. Before we get going, a quick word from our sponsor. If you want to sell more and do it more easily, do the Winning with Relationships selling course. If you can't build trust, no sale. Can't design excellent questions to understand the client's needs? No sale. Can't present the solution convincingly? No sale. Can't handle objections properly? No sale. Can't close? No sale. Master the sales process by doing the Winning with Relationships selling course now in either Japanese or English. Welcome back. Okay, now it's time for the show. Sore dewa ikimashou. So let's get going. 4 steps to have credibility in sales. Salespeople are carrying around a lot of baggage with them when they visit clients. The smooth-talking, dodgy salesperson trying to con us is the folkloric villain of the piece. Reversing that doubt and hesitation is critical to gaining acceptance as a valuable business partner for the client. This entire problem is magnified when we meet the client for the first time. Because the clients don't know us, their default position is one of caution and doubt. We've all grown up being rewarded for being risk-averse, and so we are resistant to change. The new salesperson represents change because they are asking the client to buy something new or to change suppliers. So that we can properly serve them, we need to break through that mental protective wall erected by the client and establish trust and credibility. Great. How do we do that? Try crafting a credibility statement. This is a succinct summary that will grab the attention of the client and help to reduce their resistance to what we are offering. It unfolds in 4 stages. Step 1, we give an overview of the general benefits of what we do. For example, Dale Carnegie Training helps to deliver the behavior change needed in the team that translates into improved results. Okay, overview. Step 2, we need to quote some specific outcomes as evidence that we are a credible supplier of services. So we might say something like this. An example of this was when we helped XYZ Company, a very high-end retailer, with training their entire sales team. They are now enjoying a 30% increase in sales. Step 3, now introduce an important suggestion that makes this benefit and result summary relevant to the listener. Maybe we could do the same for you. We softly mention, in order to help me understand if we can do that or not, would you mind if I asked a few questions? We say this almost as a throwaway line. Step 4, we need to create a verbal bridge so we can move on to the questioning of the client about what they need. Well, thank you for that. May I ask you where you see the business getting to in the near term? This credibility statement should be short, under 30 seconds, delivered fluently and confidently, no ums and ahs. This takes a lot of preparation and practice because it is so short. Every word is vital in the design stage, and we must deliver it perfectly. Remember, craft your credibility statement very stringently. Each word is gold and treat it as such. Practice the delivery over and over so that it is confident and smooth. Always ask for permission to ask questions before you say one word about your solution lineup. Practice the delivery over and over so that it is confident and smooth. Thank you for watching this episode, and remember to hit the subscribe button. The Japan Business Mastery Show is here to help you navigate your way around business in Japan. Subscribe on YouTube, share it with your family, friends, and colleagues. Hit the little bell icon for automatic new episode notifications. Our website details are on screen now, enjapan.dalecarnegie.com. It is awesome value, so check it out. Please leave me some feedback on YouTube. I would love to know how this show helps and what other topics you are interested in for me to cover. Just tell me how I can help you best. You might also enjoy my other weekly shows for podcasts. Mondays for the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show podcast. Tuesdays for the Presentations Japan series. Wednesdays for the Sales Japan series. Thursdays for the Leadership Japan series. And Fridays for the Japan Business Mastery Show, wherever you get your podcasts. Also on Mondays, I release my other TV show, the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show, on YouTube. In episode 12, we are talking about 7 ways to speak to the rabble. Onegai itashimasu. Please join me next week to master the business here, because that is what we want, isn't it? Japan Business Mastery.